In this video we're going to do a lampshade based around the Revolve feature in Fusion 360, one that could hang from a ceiling pendant. Okay, first job. Sketch, vertical plane, and create a baseline of 80. The height, I'm going to make 180. Line tool. Top line 30. Now I'm going to use the spline tool to connect them together to create a bit of a shape. And snap and tick. Finish sketch. Now I might modify that once I revolve it. Revolve, select the profile, select the axis, select the profile. Okay, go home. That looks alright. Then you can go back in to the timeline, edit feature, and just adjust it. You've also got the toggles where you can adjust things as well. Okay, that's fine. Then all I need to do is shell it. But I'm only going to leave this bit solid. Shell, have to rotate it around, select the base. I'm just going to make that 3 millimeters thick. Okay. And do the top hole, create a new sketch. So the hole I'm creating now is for this B22 lamp fitting or similar. You need to know which one you're doing. Circle tool, that was 29 millimeters. Finish sketch. Finish sketch now. I'm going to pull that away. Select, going down. So I'm cut. Okay, now that pretty much is finished. That looks really good. As an add-on to this type of lampshade, you can add details to it by using the circular pattern tool. I've done one here that I've put in. Now I got this idea from watching this video here, and I'll put a link in the description for this. Yeah, I've just done it a bit differently to that one, but it's the same principle. I have just done some of the work slightly different in the way I've modified the sketch and also press pull. The one that's online, he's done two sides. Instead of a cut, it's been an intersect. And in the circular pattern, I've selected these three faces because I've had cutouts, whereas in the one online, the original one, and I don't want to steal anyone's thunder, I've just thought, hell, that's really cool. I think I'll modify that. He's used bodies. But that's what the internet's for. This is what I'm doing this for, so that you can show some different ideas. I am definitely just a beginner though, but this actually looks pretty interesting. And when light's shining through that, you can use different shapes, rectangles, squares, octagons, etc. Yeah, it's come out really good. Thanks for watching.